Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of 30 Credit Tips in 30 Days. Now, today we're going to talk about the first step you need to take to actually start to improving your credit. So before you can start the process to improving your credit, you must first sign up for some type of credit monitoring service. This is important because credit monitoring systems eliminate the guesswork by showing you exactly what's being reported to your profile. Credit Karma should not be the only tool that you use to view your score, because they only use the Vantage 3.0 scoring model, and they only show you 2 bureau scores and not all 3. Now, I personally use My Score IQ, which shows all 3 credit scores, provides identity theft protection, gives real-time alerts anytime your information is used for anything, and they use the FICO scoring model, which is used by most lenders anytime you apply for credit. And if this sounds like something that you're interested in, click the second link in my bio and you can sign up today for a discounted price. And if you like this type of content, please like, share, and follow for more tips.